Very quiet. I'm hunting wabbits.
Hello, fight! Hasta la vista, baby.
I don't know what we're yelling about!
Stealth are us.
Those magnificent men in the flying machine.
My vote tonight will be for Francesca. French. My mouth is dry and I've been getting treatment for it.
Mr. Madison, what you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it.
You're a pimple on society's ass and you'll never amount to anything. Donuts.
Immunity is back up for grabs. For your final immunity challenge, you will each have a sword.
Whoso pulleth out this sword of this stone and anvil is rightwise king, born of England.
Russell, it's clear that there's been a lack of skill in your jury management.
No one asked your opinion, you filthy little mudblood.
It reads, "He who is valiant and pure of spirit may find the Holy Grail."
Guy in the gray t-shirt, what's your name?
My name's Bond. James Bond.
You must think I'm pretty dumb, huh?
Let the 75th Hunger Games begin.
Win reward! You were on that. Spencer, Cass, Woo.
You're happy. I hate that. Please state the nature of the medical emergency.
It's a food eating competition. Okay. It won't always be pleasant. They won't always be familiar. Let's reveal and see what you're eating. I'm gonna be sick before I get it in my mouth.
Is it gonna bite me?
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny.
Some folks will never read a skirt, but rail against some folks like Cletus, the slack jaw Yoko. That's how much game I got. I should burn his sneakers.
Why, you doggone crazy idiot! That's my new hat!